What I'm about to teach you now is how to create custom shapes in Pixellab. You know, there are times where you just want to get something unique done, right? You don't want to use what you have already on the app. You want to actually explore some other options by unleashing your creativity. So there are times you would want to use some specific kind of shape, and the only way to do that or to make it unique is to recreate it. Now if you look at this particular design right here, you will see that this shape is not a normal shape. You would find out that, look at it, just the way the shape is coming like this and then it's going like this. You can see that slant there. It's not a normal shape. So there are ways you can actually do it. Now people would want to download it, but there are some you may not even find to download easily. So instead of wasting your time to go and say let me download it, you can actually create it. All right, now take a look at this shape. Now you can see it looks like it's a rectangle and then there's a slant here and then it's coming like this. So can we actually create this kind of shapes in Pixellab? It's very easy. So let's begin with this one, for example. So we're going to go over to Pixellab now. All right, I'm going to click remove this guy. Now let's begin with the first one I just showed you now. So to create that kind of a shape, you first get a square and then increase it like this a little. All right, increase it just a little, and then this square right here, you would duplicate it. Now let me change the color to red so that you see what I'm doing. I've changed it to red. Now when you've done this, you want to go over here, click on edit, then you go over to radius. Look at the radius here. Are you see what's happening to it? So you do something like this. All right, okay, so if I do something like this, it means that I've gotten that, you can see it now, I've gotten that slant. All right, like this. So I've gotten that slant. So let me position it at the middle like this. This one also at the middle. Okay, so good. Then I can move it down. I can move this red down here like this. So I have something like this. All right, then the next thing you want to do is this guy that is here now. So you will copy it, then bring it right here. Now do it in such a way that it is going to fill and flush by this side. Let me show you. Let it flush by the left. All right, so make sure that you adjust it very well and make sure that it's flushing well. All right, like this. So when I'm done like this, I can come over here now and I will merge everything together. Just go over here, just merge everything together like this, so that it will now become a single object. Then you can come over here and then change the color to any color of your choice. Are you seeing it now? So we've been able to create a shape like this. Now go back again and see. Are you seeing it now? Are you seeing it now? So we're able to create a shape like this. So you can play with it, play around with it anyhow you want. You see it now. So you can turn it. All right, so that is that. So this is the number one shape that I've created now. So I'm going to put it right here. So let's try and recreate another shape. What kind of shape can we see? If you go to Pinterest, you will see that there are several images right here. So I'm going to show you another one that you can create. Now there's one particular one that I saw right here. Now look at this. Take a look at this. Are you seeing this one now? All right, you can see that the image is coming from here. It's slanting like this and it's slanting like this. How do we create something like that? So we're going to come over here now. All right, let me increase this guy. We're going to come over here now. We'll bring this. Let me just lock that guy. All right, then we'll come over here. We'll bring a shape. Now if you notice very well, that's also like a rectangular shape like this. So reduce it and put it at the middle. All right, it means that we're going to create two. One is going to be going to the left, one is going to be going to the right. So let's adjust this guy first. then bring this guy here, copy it, right, then edit it, then do this. Let's try to adjust it. Let's change the color to maybe red. All right, let's bring it here like this. All right, so let's do this again. All right, so something like this. Right, let's do this. So we have something like this, right? So we're going to do two things now. Number one, copy this one, bring this one to the top here. All right, then bring this one to the bottom here. Still adjust it. All right, like this. Now once you've done that, then you can bring this guy to the front. All right, so that you will see exactly what you're doing. Once that is done, all right, once that is done, you want to, let's check it again. All right, so you want to copy this and put it like this. All right, let's check again. All right, something like that. And move this guy down a little. All right, something like this. Then we can copy this guy here and put it here also. And then we adjust it. All right, so something like that. When you're making your adjustment, make sure you do it very well. So let me increase this guy at the middle, then centralize it. I'll still move it down a little. So I have something like this. So we can just come over here now, and then we'll merge everything together like this. All right, so we have this. So we can come here. So this is the result. Though it's not perfect, but if you take your time, you're able to do it perfectly. So I have this now. So this is it. All right, so it's knowing how to use your mesh tool properly. All right, so we have this, we have this. Are you seeing that now? So we can go on and on to show you how to create various wonderful shapes. So let me show you another one now. So this one is going to come from here. All right, then we are going to reduce this, bring this here, right? Then I'm going to do this. Okay, all right, so I'm done with this. Then the next thing I want to do now is to bring in a circle. Now I'm bringing a circle, I'm putting it here. I'm just going to do the circle like this. All right, then I'm going to centralize this guy too. Okay, so let me just move this one up a little. All right, so I'm going to bring this guy also. I would copy it, then I'll change the color to black and let it be 100% black. All right, so I'll just adjust it like this there. Alright, so I'll just come here and then I'll adjust it. Alright, so something like this. So if I want to do more, then I'm just going to go over here now and I'll mesh both 1, 2, 3 together like this. I've merged them together. If I merge them together, that means I can come over here and then remove the, go to eraser, and then I'll select the black that is here. All right, so I have some, so that if I change the background, I will still have it there like that. Are you seeing that now? So we've gotten this. This is another one altogether. Now, while you are struggling to say, oh, I want to go and get a what's it called, a location icon, you can actually create it yourself. All right, you can actually create it yourself. So this is how many we've done, and this is 3. So this is how you go ahead and create a lot of wonderful shapes. So let me show you how to go ahead creating a location icon. So to do that, you just come over here, you get this this guy here. All right, which is going to be here like this. Okay, and then you would come over here, go to shapes. All right, and you get something like this. Okay, which is going to be a triangle. All right, just do it like this. Okay, so just in this case, let's reduce this one and put it there. Okay, so you adjust it so that it fits very well. So once you have done it like this, push it here. Once you do it like this, it's now time to bring in this same shape, copy it and put it there. So let's adjust this to red, for example. All right, then we can come here and adjust it. So we just come over here and then we'll merge all of it together. All right, so this is how you create customize. Don't forget to like this video so that you get more tutorials like this. So go to erase color, take out that red. All right, the red is out, so you have this as your final stuff. So which is this guy here. All right, so let's look out for the last. All right, so let's try and create one more before we go. So look out for any kind of shape you just want to create. So just look out for it. So these are different shapes, as you can see here. All right, so just look at the shape and try to bring different shapes together and merge all together. You'll be able to get the exact shape. All right, I am on Pinterest as Niyi Amuda. You can follow me and get inspiration for your next design. All right, don't forget to like this video and don't forget to share it with your friends to get more and more tutorials like this. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Niyi Amuda TV, for more tutorials like this. I will see you.